Floods in various parts of the country have wreaked havoc and death toll is rising due to incessant rainfall. Northeast to West India, floods have thrown normal life out of gear. People are bound to leave their villages and taking shelter in makeshift camps. Flood hit Rajasthan and Gujarat as well. 25,000 people have been shifted in Gujarat alone, while rescue operations on large scale is underway in Odisha and Rajasthan. Rajasthan witnessed death of 2 due to fresh spell of heavy rainfall. Meanwhile, Army and Indian Air Force choppers have been pressed into rescue operations in flood-hit states. News Desk.